Zecti sent this LED lamp for our review, and I shouldn't even call it a lamp. This is a video light, and it's a really nice one. It's 37 watts. It's got 520 pieces of LED in there. Love the fact that it's super, super slim and very, look at how slim that is. And it's very light. Why is it important that it's light? Because it comes with a bracket. And yes, they do supply the bracket with the cold shoe adapter right there. Because this can live on top of a camera. I can just like twist it up and just like that. And once that's done, I'll lock it in. I can actually have it in different positions, just up and down. So I can tilt it down, tilt it up, and have it on top of my camera. It's not going to create that much extra weight. Now, speaking of weight, yes, you will have extra weight when it comes to powering this thing, because it does take, and this is a great thing, it does take NPF batteries just like this one. So either the Sony type or any of the normal types. And just like that, we are on. And look how quick that is. It goes from 3200 to 5600 Kelvin. So basically cool light all the way to warm light. You can do bicolor as well. And all the controls are on the side. You've got a battery check. So I know my battery is about 75% here. I've got, the on and off, of course. And then I can go from super white. So now I'm at 3200 right now. And I can go all the way to 5600, super quick. It's extremely quick and extremely bright. I'm kind of surprised. This is exactly what you would need if you are a one-person shooter. You don't want to carry around an extra stand, an extra light, or even have a spotlight or a floodlight on the side. You just have that on top of your camera. Or because of this little bracket, you could actually have it on a stand somewhere, or even on a bracket next to a monitor. They're great, super, super light, which is, again, extremely important. And the fact that you are using these long-lasting batteries. Depending on which battery you're using, this is a really long one. This is going to go for hours. Love that. Zecti, I'm extremely, extremely happy with this. And I love the fact that the barn doors actually have reflective, so it actually creates even more light.